When it comes to our tunnel touchless car washer, it's designed specifically for luxury cars, as well as everyday vehicles. And why do I say that? Well, come on down, let me show you. See here, the equipment uses high-pressure water and specialized cleaning fluids to clean your car, creating a comfortable steam bath experience. The high-pressure water, combined with a special soap solution, quickly softens and dissolves stubborn stains, effectively cleaning your vehicle. You can clearly see that our car wash tunnel is touchless. It's safe for all cars, especially for luxury cars, or your car that you're driving right now. If you want to provide your customers with safer, more efficient, and high-quality car washing services, our tunnel touchless car wash machine will be your ideal choice.